right, I have the brand new Twillory Performance Suit here. Is it any good? I've got the pants on, but let's try on the jacket. Keep on watching our honest review to find out more. All right, this is the Performance Pant from Twillory and the Performance Blazer. They are a grand total of 388 bucks for both, which I believe makes this one of the cheapest in the whole shebang, right? That's pretty sweet. Comes with the pocket square put in. I thought it was a nice touch. It does come with that large bag that's a dry clean bag, or I don't know what you call those things, but that works really well. And I'm super surprised. I will be honest, I was not the biggest Twillory fan. You can read our review of the performance shirts. I did not give them very good marks. I'm super pleasantly surprised. This is the blue version, and nothing crazy so far. I mean, it's a nice weight. No pockets here. Why do people make faux pockets here all the time? It just drives me crazy. Anyway, looks like a personal problem. Does have the logo here, but I mean, it says machine washable, no iron, 4-way stretch, cooling tech, which we all want some cooling tech. It's got, I mean, a ton of some extra buttons, ton of pockets in here. It's got, I mean, geez, what are you gonna do with all this storage space in here? Man, you could rent it out on the weekends. Some nice subtle light blue branding. I'll do a close-up of the fabric here in just a second. But, I mean, if money is your biggest factor, I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't pick this. I mean, it's got just as much stretch. I mean, it's actually very similar, but almost lighter material than the X-Suit 3. It's got a good amount of stretch. I do have my microphone in here, is what this junk is. I mean, it's a good looking suit, huh? I mean, I could even toss on some amberjack shoes here. Don't yell at me, amberjack people. I usually put them on a little bit nicer. I mean, complete this whole look. Woo. Like, come on. I need to get this tailored. It's not tailored. Please don't yell at me, tailor, please. But I mean, like, this is a good looking suit, huh? Let me look at myself here. Oh, yeah. I mean, that's pretty legit, huh? I mean, what else do you want? Well, let's see. What else can I tell you about this suit? Like I said, it's 388 bucks for a suit. Like, it's a problem, really weird problem that I've had before, and you may have had this problem too. But like, you need a black suit to go to a funeral, and you don't have one. Every guy needs a black suit, even just to go to a funeral. I get a gray one. If you want the most expensive suit, don't get one of these, frankly. But if you want a really high quality suit that is well made and looks the most like a suit, it's gonna be that Ministry of Supply suit. It's also the most expensive. This is still a really good looking suit. I would have no problems actually wearing this suit to a wedding. Obviously I'd get it tailored up exactly right. It's got nice, I mean, ooh, that's kind of, I actually like that because it gives you that little bit of woo, 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 woo. But that's really cool. I mean, it's got some zipper pockets on the back, 2 zipper pockets. I'm gonna show you a unique feature inside the pants. Yeah, I'll just show that, huh? But man, Twillory, like, super good job. I am super impressed with this suit. Like, I didn't think I would actually like it. I thought, like, man, and it's probably like their shirts. But they did a really stinking good job. You know, if you're looking for the highest quality suit, once again, I'd probably go and look at something like the Ministry of Supply suit. Bluffworks is a really great suit as well. It comes in different lengths, so if you need something real quick and don't have time to get it tailored, that could be a good option. The X suit, a little bit thicker, but super stretchy. A little bit more of a baggy fit on that one. This one's got a pretty good fit. They have several different fits for the pants too, so you can get like an athletic fit, a tailored fit, whatever you need. But to be honest with you, you can't go wrong with any one of these suits. Honestly, I'm trying to think of like what I would not, yeah, you can't go wrong with any one of these suits. All right, here's a close-up of the Twillory Performance Blazer. Seems to look a little bit of a more of a like polyester type fabric, but not bad whatsoever, honestly. Trying to see if it shows me what the fabric is made of. I mean, look at all these pockets. There's like a bazillion and 10 pockets in here. It's pretty cool. smart. But it's got this nice lining on the inside. I like that. Has a nice pocket square that came with, packed in there like that. That's a nice touch, Twillory. Good job. A little bit smoother, a little bit less textured of a fabric. It's not the dressiest looking fabric, but it's not bad either. This must be part of the cooling technology and part of the padding and something. That's kind of cool. A little bit of, make my shoulders look buffer. I'm all for that. But I actually do like the nice subtle blue branding that's in the middle of it. That looks really good. Great job. The buttons are branded, but they're only branded if you know that is the Twillory brand. But man, I'm super pleasantly surprised for you. Good job. Now, let me show you something funky about these pants. I was putting them on and I was like, man, it's making a weird noise. What is going on here? And you're gonna hear the weird noise too. So this weird noise is actually the gripper, which I loved it. I don't know why more pants don't have this, but check this out. This pant has a awesome gripper. Makes a little squeaky noise though when you're trying to tuck your shirt in. That holds your shirt in place, and if your shirt's not tucked in, it holds your pants up, so you don't have to keep them pulling up and down, which is awesome. That's exactly what you want. 32-30 tailored fit. They have a couple different fits on there. There's a nice lining on the inside. Helps those bounce proof pockets. Let me tell you, it's 100% polyester. That's what I thought. 100% polyester, made in Mexico. Machine wash cold, do not bleach. Temple dry, low heat, because you can dry clean, although you do not need to. It's got, don't care for this logo on the back on this. It's not that big of a deal, but don't care for it. It looks like it comes off pretty easy. I wouldn't do it though. That little squeaky noise is so funny. Has nice pockets. Once again, that Twillory logo is probably the only thing I don't care for on this whole thing. And I don't even know if that's a deal killer for me or not. Has nice pockets, zippered on the side. Twillory, like, I'm super impressed. Like, tailored for hustle. I know I wasn't a big fan of your shirts, but I really like your pants, even if they are squeaky. If you have any questions or comments about this Twillory review, please let us know in the comments below. And you know what? Make sure to check out our other videos about other suits that we've tried. I'll put together a full list for you, a little playlist so you can check it out. This is the only thing I don't like about the suit. Can you believe that? But if you have any questions or comments, please let us know below, and I hope to see you again real soon.